Hello students, today we'll be taking the second part of probability. We'll be discussing some more experiments. Previously we have discussed the experiments like tossing one coin, two coin, basket of balls, colored balls, then tossing one die. Today I'm taking tossing two dice simultaneously. दो डाई हमने एक साथ उछाले. Now, what are the possible outcomes? The possible outcomes are you may get 1 1. That means 1 on the first die, 1 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 2 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 3 on the second die, and so on. Similarly, you may get 2 on the first die, 1 on the second die, 2 on the first die, 2 on the second die. So, in this way, we make all the possible outcomes we have to write, and so we get these total number of possible, these are the total possible outcomes when we toss two dice simultaneously. The number of total possible outcomes, when we count this will be 6 by 6, that means 36 outcomes. Now we may be asked a variety of questions based on this. First of all, let us take probability of getting even number on both dice. Even number on both dice means फर्स्ट ये वाला कॉलम तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि यहाँ तो 1 है. इसी तरह ये वाला कॉलम बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकती, ये वाला रो, क्योंकि यहाँ भी 1 है. So you have to have even number on both dice. So we'll consider only the rows 2, 4 and 6 and columns 2nd, 4th and 6th column. Now even number on both dice we get 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2, 6, 4 and 6, 6. These are the favorable outcomes for getting even number on both dice. These number of favorable outcomes are 9. When we count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the total number of outcomes are 36. So probability becomes 1 upon 4. Similarly, let us take another question. Finding probability of getting a total of 10. When we toss two dice, total number on the two dice together should be 10. Start adding up. 1 by 6 add किया 7, तो ये तो हो नहीं सकता, बाकी तो सब इससे छोटे ही हैं. Similarly, 2 plus 6 is 8. All the rest of the numbers are less in counting. The total is less. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. तो यहाँ से हमें मिला पहला फेवरेबल आउटकम. 4 plus 5 तो 9 होगा, यहाँ तक छोड़ देंगे. 4 plus 6, then 5 plus 5 इसी तरह 10 मिल जाएगा, और इसी तरह 6 plus 4 भी 10 मिलेगा. तो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आर 4, 6, 5, 5 and 6, 4. That means there are only 3 favorable outcomes and the total number of outcomes is 36. The probability of getting a total of 10 is 3 upon 36. Bring it to the lowest terms, then you'll get 1 upon 12. Similarly, a very common question is getting same number on both dice. Same number, see, 1, 1. These are the favorable outcomes. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So in all there are 6 favorable outcomes to get same number on both dice. So the probability will be favorable outcome 6 upon total outcomes 36. This will give you 1 by 6. There may be innumerable number of questions based on this concept of tossing two dice together. We have discussed only a few. Next, let us take playing cards. Playing cards सभी ने देखे हैं. हिंदी में आप इसे ताश कहते हैं. सभी बच्चों ने ताश खेली ही होगी. ताश में 52 cards होते हैं. There are 52 cards. We will not consider the joker in it. There are 4 types of cards. Club, ऐसी शेप बनी होती है उसके ऊपर. Spade, ऐसी सी शेप बनी होती है. This is diamond and this is heart. क्लब और स्पेड जो होते हैं वो ब्लैक कलर कार्ड्स होते हैं. उन पर ये जो बना होता है फिगर, ये ब्लैक कलर की होती है. एंड डायमंड एंड हार्ट्स ये रेड कलर के होते हैं. इस पे सब कुछ रेड कलर में ही लिखा और बना होता है. दिस इज डायमंड. हिंदी में आप इसे ईट कहते हैं. हार्ट्स आप पान कहते हैं. So in all, we have 13 club, 13 spades, 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. So in all, there are 52 cards. Now, what type of cards are these? These cards may be numbered or there may be faces on it. Cards के ऊपर हर एक, जैसे क्लब्स का पैक लें, इसमें 13 कार्ड्स होंगे. उसमें एक के ऊपर 2, एक के ऊपर 3, एक के ऊपर 4, देन 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 लिखा होगा. एक कार्ड जैक होगा. उस पर जैक का मतलब हिंदी में गुलाम, फेस बना होता है. देन क्वीन और देन किंग बना होता है. एंड लास्ट इज एस. एस के ऊपर ए करके लिखा होता है. ऐसे बस ए लिखा होता है. So in total, these are the numbered cards, and then these are 9 in number, 10, 11, 12 and 13. There are 13 type of cards in clubs. Similarly, 13 types in spades, 13 in diamonds and 13 in hearts. अब numbered card की अगर आपसे probability पूछी जाए, find the probability of a numbered card. So how many there are numbers? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 numbers. और 9 numbers हर तरीके के कार्ड्स में होंगे. इसमें भी, डायमंड्स में भी, हार्ट्स में भी. So 9 into 4 and number of total outcomes are 52. Favorable outcomes 9 into 4, that will give you 36, and total outcomes is 52. So this is the probability of a numbered card. आप इसे lowest terms में ला सकते हैं. Next is probability of a face card. ये बड़ा common question है. Face card देखिए, जैक, क्वीन और किंग पर फेस बना होता है. तो these 3 types of cards are called face cards. Now there is a jack, queen and king in club, another jack, queen, king in spades, another jack, queen, king in diamonds, and then another in hearts. So in all, these 3 cards are available in all these 4 type of cards. So the favorable outcomes will be 3 jack, queen and king available in all 4 types, and total is 52. So favorable outcomes are 3 into 4, that is 12, and total outcomes are 52. Next, very common question. You may be asked, find the probability of red queen, or it can be also written as probability of red and queen. किसी भी तरीके से पूछा जा सकता है. Now red queen कहाँ होगी? रेड कार्ड्स में होनी चाहिए. तो रेड ये 2 हैं. There is 1 queen in diamond and 1 in hearts. So in all there are only 2 queens which are red in color, and total number is of outcomes is 52. So The probability of a red queen is 2 by 52. It may be asked as red and queen, red भी हो और queen भी हो. तो again same thing, red cards में ढूंढेंगे और 2 queens हुए तो 2 by 52. Red or queen, if you are asked the probability of red or queen, that means the card should either be red or queen. Now, how many red cards are there? There are 26 red cards, 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. And 2 queens are already included in this. Another 2 queens are where? These are in clubs and spades. There are 2 queens more, which are black in color. So, red cards 26 and queen cards 2 are already included in this 26 plus 2 more of club and spades. These are the favorable outcomes and total outcomes is 52. So in all we get 28 upon 52. Bring it to the lowest terms. I hope these questions might have helped you in understanding the concepts of probability. Thank you. Enjoy maths.